So in this video, I'll be guiding you through the best tips and tricks on how to save battery or how to save charge for your Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds. Now, if you're seeing that there's a continuous battery drainage that is not sustainable for your buds, these tips can really help you out, especially if you want them to last longer throughout the day. So the first tip is to enable auto power off. This means that whenever you're not wearing your buds, they automatically turn off to conserve power. In order for you to turn this on, you're just going to open up the Sony Sound Connect app, scroll and select device settings once you've chosen your buds, and then tap on power and battery. From here, you should see automatic power off. So just tap on that option and ensure that off when headphones are removed is selected. This now means that if your headphones or if your earbuds are not worn for a specific amount of time, maybe like 5 or 10 seconds, then they will automatically turn off to conserve power. Another way you can conserve the battery of your earbuds is simply enabling auto power save. So when you tap on that option under the power and battery section, you should see auto power save, and it tells you reduces power consumption to extend headphone time usage. So all you need to do is simply just tap on the toggle like so to turn it on. But this does mean that you lose control over your voice assistant, your speak to chat, your equalizer, and all of those other features. But again, it's up to you to decide whether you want to keep this feature on or off depending on how much you use those items. And the third and final way you can save battery for your earbuds is to simply enable battery care. So when you select battery care like so, you can just tap on the toggle to turn it on. And this now extends the lifespan of the battery, so it stops charging at a specific percentage so that the battery lasts longer. As you know, the more charges you do, the more wear and tear a battery gets. So the less charges that are needed, the more your battery will last. And so those are the 3 top tricks that are needed if you ever want to save battery for your earbuds. Thanks for watching. If you have any more comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.